Hey, today we're going to talk about how to make a real, authentic looking Hawaiian bamboo fence. Alright, so you just need a few easy tools. First, you need some canes. Now, if you don't have your own canes, most people who grow bamboo are really cool. And I'll bet you could offer to trim back their forest and they would be happy for that work and you could have the bamboo. So, these have all been pre-cut and they're just hanging around. So, second, make yourself a little template. So you're going to drill holes through your canes. You're going to string them up on this wire. Now, this wire is pretty thick. It's probably, like an eighth inch wire. Let's just call it that. And this whole spool was only like 25 bucks. So now you're going to take your cane. You're going to put your template on it just like that. And it doesn't have to be even on both sides, but if you want it to be, it can be. And you're going to take your drill press. Just going to slip it right into there, like so. And I'll pull the arm down. And if you don't have a drill press, use a regular hand drill. I'm just trying to make this job as easy as possible. Now, I have a bunch of these. We're going to string them up. Now, this wire, I believe, is from Home Depot, and it's super flexible. I've already cut one out, and it's easy to straighten by hand. Now, I don't know. I'm not going to make a fence today. I'm going to make a screen, and it's going to hang from tree branches. So I'm going to give myself like 7-8 feet of wire, and I'm going to make a pair of them. So that way, if wherever I need to hang it from, I've got some flexibility in the length of my hangers. Because these could be hangers. They're going to solve everything, make this a nice, simple project. Alright, I'm stringing it right on the wire like popcorn, and it's going really good. The tight holes that I made are working well. The bamboo is fitting really tight. Every time I push one down here, it's very tight. So I'm going to string it all together, and I'm going to cut it in half. So I'll have two screens, and when you're 200 feet away, the screens will effectively block out that porch light. Okay, to shut my ends, I suppose I should put like a cool nut or a bolt or a ring, something cool on this end, but I was just going to fold it over and hammer it so it's flat. But you can get as dressy as you want with your screens. So the whole purpose of this project as well is it's getting cold out. I'm just trying to hurry up, it's like my test screen. It's like the first project where I've strung it like this. I did see it strung like that in Hawaii, and that's why I'm trying it, and it works awesome. Alright, spaced them out, and the wire's about 3 feet long. 3 feet long. So I'm about to cut it in half, so I have two screens that can hang next to each other. Well, it's just getting dark all the way, and there you have it. Two cool bamboo screens, easy to manage. Watch this. Lightweight, flexible, easy to hang anywhere. I threw that down there, just easily bent that wire right over. So you could curve these, you could make a circle, you could make a wave, you can make any kind of a shape you want. And the cool thing is that you made it. Alright, I'll show you how they look tomorrow. Ta-da! What can I say? Nothing. It's two screens in a tree, and 150, 200 feet away, it blocks the neighbor's bright porch light, and I am so happy.